Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the controllers and accounts ready. Plug or pair both pads, then wait for the game to reach the main menu so inputs register. Make sure each player has a local profile or guest signed in, because the game assigns inventories and save access on a per-profile basis. Once done, press the secondary controller's Start/Options button to wake it, and then select the two-player local option from the menu. This enables split play and reserves resources correctly. Now you actually start the co-op session. Load a save or create a new game, because some modes lock split screen until a campaign or co-op session is active. Once inside, open the pause or lobby screen and use the invite or join prompt on the second controller. The game will split the view automatically. Make sure you check the screen layout and button mapping. This avoids confusion during combat and resource sharing. If you need even split or top-down, select the preferred split option before continuing. Finish setup by verifying both players can access inventory, craft, and revive each other. This prevents lost progress. If a controller disconnects, stop, repair it, and have the second player rejoin from the pause menu. This usually restores their split-screen view without corrupting the session. If you see desync or missing HUD elements, reload the last checkpoint or fully restart the co-op session, because the engine occasionally needs a clean load to reassign camera and input correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.